Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about money. Welcome to the channel The Growth Wallet. Today I just want to say a simple speech about money. What actually money is. So let's get started. And I hope this will makes you feel motivated and energetic to actively earn money and to know the importance of money in life. So let's begin. Money, a simple five-letter word that silently controls the rhythm of our life. Some people say money isn't everything, and yes, money can't buy character, happiness, or time. But being honest, without money, even the simplest dreams die before they take their first breath. Today, I want you to understand one thing very clearly. Money is not just currency. Money is a tool, a teacher, and a test. Money as a tool. Money is a tool that can build your dream or destroy your peace, depending on who controls whom. A hammer can build a home or break it. Similarly, money isn't good or bad. You are. If you let money control you, you will chase it blindly, desperately, tirelessly, and still never feel enough. But if you control money, you will shape it, direct it, and multiply it. Money as a teacher. Money teaches us discipline. It teaches us patience. It teaches us responsibility. The moment you start tracking your expenses, saving with intention, investing consistently, and respecting every rupee, that moment your relationship with money transforms. Money teaches you the wealth isn't built by luck. It builds by habit. Tiny habits, daily habits, habits that feel boring but build empires. Money as a test. Money reveals a person's true nature. When you have nothing, you are humble, but you have everything. Who you become, that is your real identity. If money makes you arrogant, you were already arrogant, money just amplified it. If money makes you generous, you were already generous, money just magnified it. Money doesn't change you, money exposes you. Why money matters? Money matters because money gives choice, money gives time, money gives dignity, money gives the ability to take care of our family, money gives the power to help others. Poverty doesn't make you spiritual, wealth doesn't make you evil, your mindset determines everything. A simple message: you deserve abundance, you deserve financial peace, you deserve a life where bills don't scare you and dreams don't feel impossible. But for that, you must stop waiting, must stop doubting, must stop saying one day and start saying day one, because the truth is simple: when you master money, you master your life. Thank you so much. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.